Good afternoon. Am I audible, man?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir.
So now let us start the next chapter. That is the current electricity. See, suppose there is a conductor here. In a conductor, the electrons move in random way. This electron may move like this may move free electrons. What I mean to say is free electrons. They have motions. So you can see if you take any cross section area, the number of electrons that flow from left to right should be random. Means that only random means equal possibility in all situations. So this is also, there is no way of saying this will be more than this, no?
Yes, sir. Both will be equal.
Therefore, across any cross-sectional area is zero. Understood, isn't it? Followed. That means we
Yes,
say
sir.
there is, therefore, there is now if you create the same conductor, if I connect a battery, the moment I connect a battery, can you tell what will happen? You can see that positive
Electrons
charges.
flow in one direction, in
This is
uniform direction.
actually, this is what I am doing. Positive charge. Positive charge flow like this means this is a positive charge flowing. Okay, that means electrons flow in this direction. Agreed or not? That
Agreed,
means
sir.
by what you are doing by applying a battery, what is that you are doing? You are creating an electric field. No? So the
Yes,
moment
sir.
you apply connect a battery, you are applying an electric field. So now you can see all electrons okay. These constitute what? Electron current. What is this? Electron current. Okay, opposite to this electron current, Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Flow of positive charges. Understood this? Call this only what we called as
Conventional current.
understood this? No. Shall I turn this?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, sir, completed.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you take any cross-sectional area. Okay, you can see that so in a time t, understood this? And as you know, how do you get instantaneous current? Instantaneous
AQ.
current means current at any time. Followed this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see current is a fundamental quantity derived. Charge is fundamental or not?
Fundamental. Current is fundamental quantity.
Current is fundamental,
Derived.
not charge.
Charge is derived.
Okay. As the name indicates, conventional positive charge won't flow actually. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Electric field.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Negative charge.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Why? Conventional current direction is what is electron current?
Direction, opposite to direction of electric field.
No, these are single directions, no? A vector must have specified direction, not a unique direction. Remember what we learned in first year?
Yes, sir.
Any physical quantity has a single direction, surface tension, single direction. Pressure, single direction. Pressure always acts perpendicular to the surface now. Time also has a direction, it flows from past to present to future. So all these are, though they are having directions, they have a single direction, and hence they cannot be under the class of vectors. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So remember that, shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
So remember that shall I turn this?
One
Yes,
minute.
sir. Complete.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
One second, wait. What is the, you have seen that, suppose they are having several charges, okay, say U1, U2, like that. Is RMS speed, no? Remember this? Due to thermal agitation, they'll be moving, no? Remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is zero. Understood this? Now, when you apply a potential difference, when you apply a potential difference, an electric field is created. We are connecting a battery means, remember battery, what does it do? It simply creates a potential difference. This is the positive terminal, so this is 0 volt, this is V volt. So this will be plus V volt, this is V. That's only we told it as minus V plus V, no? One is higher than this. Understood it? Higher potential and the other is lower potential. So electric field will be in the direction of high to low potential. Remember this? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So now suppose this L is the length of the conductor. Understood this? What is the force?
Electric.
Say if you take an
Yes, sir.
electron, force will be this one, you know. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the force on the electron? See, that means F bar and E bar are opposite. That is the reason why I am taking two opposite vectors now. So what is the acceleration? Agreed? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the time interval between two collisions is called what? Relaxation time. Understood this? That means an electron, when it moves, it will be colliding with the positive ion, no? Remember? In this body, there are positive ions, no? Ions means which are immovable. That is nucleus and neutrons, all those will be there now.
Yes, sir.
So other than the electron, remaining atom is immobile.
Fixed.
That is only ion, no? So it will
Yes, sir.
be
Yes,
this
sir.
will be colliding this now.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that for a velocity acquired before the, for suppose at t equals to 0, it starts with velocity u1. See, before the application of any electric field, it is having u1. Due to the application of that, it starts with acceleration. Suddenly it collides. So this is t1. Do you agree with this? Any doubt? Similarly, this is the velocity acquired just before the second collision. Is another electron. Like that, how many electrons are there? Many are there now.
An electron.
See, in the absence of electric field, U1, U2, U3 are the thermal velocities. Understood this? Because of the electric field, each one is accelerated. Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Yes, sir. One
No
doubt is
doubt,
there.
sir.
So this A1, A2, A3 all are equal only, no, sir?
Which one? No,
A1,
all are,
A2.
all are equal only.
Yes, sir.
But this relaxation time need not be, because we don't know, one electron may travel greater distance before collision. No, how the lattice is location, we don't know. No,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
should use little bit thinking. Will be getting what are U1, U2, U3 only due to thermal agitation. Understood this? Clear? When you
Understood,
apply
sir.
a field, each one is accelerated. Therefore, just before one, it starts with U1, it goes and hits before the next one. That is V1. So that means before hitting, you'll get this. Understood this? Clear? Now, like this, we call drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which free electrons in a conductor get drifted under the influence of what? Of an external electric field applied. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Followed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Followed this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Follow.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Capacitance, all that you're confident now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, these revision classes will not be forever. Another maximum 3-4 days it will close. Up to fluids you are comfortable now. Okay? No. Hello?
Up to fluids, we are good, sir. Comfortable.
Agreed? What is this value?
0.
So here understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
See here, it simply means that drift velocity. Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute,
Yes,
sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose this is an area. This is VD into delta T. What is this length now? Agreed. Suppose this is the area of cross section. What is the can you tell how many are there? Do you agree this? This
Yes,
volume,
sir.
no? This is the length, no? Remember?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
See, all these charges will flow, no? How many charges flow, man? All these charges will flow, no?
Yes, sir.
And anything we delta t into it.
Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
What is current by definition? Charges that flow perpendicular to this in a given by time, no? Do you agree with this? Any
Yes, sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubts.
Magnitude wise, this is having this one, you know, remember? Any doubt?
No doubts, sir.
Into this is the number of particles. Charge is q, no? We forgot to write that. Understood this? Any doubt is there? Hello.
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you're absent
Sir,
for the class, you open the book, you won't understand anything. It's here, he gave some other thing.
sir, one
Don't
doubt,
write.
sir.
Tell him.
Sir, sir, what is this Q, sir? Q.
Charge of each particle. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute. Sir.
See, I told you many times, you know circus, na? Circus you have seen, na? Acrobats you have seen, acrobatics in circus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One person will be jumping from one end, exactly the timing should be there. The other fellow will catch with fingers. Do you ever see that? Everything will be done in air and lips.
Yes,
Remember?
sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
should be the timing of a teacher and student. Teacher told, gave an assignment. Immediately student should connect with that. You procrastinate and postpone, the problem, that whole circus game will be wasted. Remember, sir, from circus only we learn many things. It teaches us what is the value of timing. The clown will be there. It teaches us the importance of being happy. Understood this? The animals do many feats. This teaches us that anything can be done by us because an animal is doing which is having no logic. You should learn lessons from circus. Many students, why they see failure is they shift, they plan that we'll do tomorrow. You know, during revision, some people are attending, no, they're all repeaters. And they're very good students. Just because of laziness and negligence, they missed the bus. In fact, they are not even, now presently they are not MS students. They're with Akash, Resonance, Ellen and all. They called me, sir, why can't you revise physics one, sir? We did not understand anything here. So I'm helping them, that's all.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Laziness costs a lot. Don't be lazy. Okay, come back to this. What is VD? Drift velocity, no? See, this negative sign merely indicates what?
It is opposite to electric field.
Is the meaning of this, no? Now you can see
Yes,
all
sir.
these are constant, no? This is constant. Electric field is constant within a conductor. Therefore, drift velocity is constant, no?
Yes, sir.
So that means what is the average acceleration? Because average velocity is
Constant.
average
Constant.
velocity, no?
Sir, the relaxation time won't be constant, right?
It will be constant for a given material.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So, the people can do, man. The problem is because of online classes, we are unable to instigate you to do work. In hostel means you are in our hand. If you don't do, officer, somebody will come and take some class or something. Online classes, parents are also leaving. That's why I asked to create a parent group. I'm trying every way how to improve. To see that get 240 marks and get one NIT, man, that's enough. Then we can talk about advanced and all this. First, 240 in May, nobody are reaching except one or two. That too, when I give the paper, they're not coming. Understood this?
Yes.
What, Jasim?
Nothing, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why in the absence of, then there is no electric field. There is no potential is applied. There will be no current. No VD means no current, no?
Yes, sir.
Because, shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Till here, understood or not?
Yes.
If you want, you can take this. What is the electric field? VH minus, you can add this also. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but the electrons, the free electrons in the conductor will still move, right? Even when there is an absence of external
But I
electrons.
don't know. The number of electrons that move from one direction will be same as in the opposite direction. That is only random motion. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You give 100 rupees, you are getting 100 rupees. That means the amount remains same. No?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. See here, now we talk about conventional current now. I is what? Means opposite electron current. In reality, it is electron current only that will be there. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose this is the area, no? The charge flows like this. Now we can see this in one way. What is the current that flows? This is the area, no? we define as J. A is area perpendicular to what?
Law of current.
Called current density. Means current per unit area. Now let us see. Even this area is in this direction. No? N cap is
Yes, sir.
perpendicular to the area. Follow this. Now suppose, following or not?
Yes,
Following,
sir.
sir.
Now suppose I am considering an area. Not this area, I am considering another area. I want to know the current density through this. I am considering another area such that this makes theta with this. I want to know the current density. Now what we should do for this area, charge is flowing in this way now.
Yes, sir.
So this is n cap now. So
Yes,
now
sir.
see, this is theta, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, this is 90. What is this? Theta only, no? Agreed?
Yes,
Followed this? Hello?
follow. Yes, sir.
So what is n cap in the direction of this? N cos theta only, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Agree,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That means I am having an area in this direction, whatever area is here, A, into what? See,
N
this is
cos
the
theta.
area A in this direction. Follow till here or not? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
This is the area perpendicular to this or not?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Because this is, one second. This is some A dash. Okay. We have this area in this direction. No? A dash cos theta is A. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
area in this direction. So what is A dash? Do you agree with this? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Any doubt is there?
Clear,
What
sir.
is this area? This area is this now.
Yes, sir.
So what is current, man? We have taken J, I by A. What is that? I by what is A? You can write like this now, various means I am saying. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So here, see, can I write like this? This is J, no?
Yes,
Any doubt? Is it clear?
yes.
Then this This is not required. Till here is enough. Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
So J cap will current density will be in the direction of current only. Understood this? You can see that.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Theta is what?
Angle between N and J.
Is it clear? Now for this example, J is this, N is this. So what is this? You have J dot A means what you will get here for this. Note on this still here. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Shall I turn this? Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Hello. So remember that the whole thing is J is a vector in the direction of the current. Okay. If A is an area, A bar is an area, then what you have the relation I equals J dot A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Suppose this is a conductor. When I apply a potential difference, this is the higher potential, this is the lower potential. So this is the electric field. Therefore, positive charges will flow like this. This is the current I, this is the current density J. Agreed. Now suppose we are having an area, this is an area A, for example. Then this is N cap now. So what is the current density with this? J A cos 0 is I. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Now suppose there is an area like this. This is N cap now. This is A1 now. So what is the current through this?
JA cos 90.
Will current flows through that? No charge
No.
flows through that, no?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes.
charges pass parallel to that, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there till here? Now suppose I am taking an area like this. Hmm. Okay. Now you can see this is theta now. This is 90. 90 minus 90. This is theta now. Do you agree with this? Now you can see A2 cos theta is A now. Do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the current through this you want? J equal N cap.
Sir, one
Current
doubt, sir.
is J A2 agreed cos theta. This is J. They agree with this or not? What
Sir,
is A2? A cos theta into cos theta. Now tell
sir,
what you
why,
want.
sir, why, sir? A2 is equal to A cos theta.
What is the projection of this man? This A2 is there now. Resolve this. This A2, see, area is a vector, man.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes.
n cap now. This has two components. Understood this? If one area is A2, this is the area. It has, this is what we call it as A2 cos theta component. This is A2 sin theta component. Now this A2 component is what? N cap is this side now. This has one component like this, another component like this. Followed this?
Yes, sir. But then A2 cos theta is equal to A y like that, sir.
This A2 projection in this direction is what, man? Tell.
No, sir.
Adjacent from
First two statements, sir. A2
this
cos
one
theta
or
equal
this one. Here, listen to what I am saying. A2 cos theta is this only, now. What is the projection? This is A2, man. In this direction, can you tell what it has?
A2 cos theta.
What is this?
A2
Now,
sin theta.
along this, what you have? Look at this. This is area is what? A only, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why I equated this. Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear? That means this area vector has two components. This is n cap. So for this is n cap. For this is n cap. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Suppose you want the current density here only, you can leave like this. This is current through this. Understood this? So from all this, what you have? Current through an area is nothing but J A cos theta. Okay? J cap is a vector in which direction? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood till here?
Sir, right side second line. What
sir.
I didn't understood.
And
Which one? This one?
A2 is how right side
how is A to
second
A?
line. How
Yes.
A2 is equal to A cos theta, sir.
What is A2? Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So again you're getting the current JA only. See,
Yes, sir.
current is not changing. That is current through this only, no?
Yes, sir. That is equal.
Understood this whole story?
Understood, sir.
So depending upon the orientation of the area, you'll have current through that. Any doubt is there?
No doubt.
Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, sir, please.
Minutes.
It's very, very difficult. If you go and listen other classes, what they'll do, V is equal to IR, they'll start current is Q by T and all this they'll never omit. But IIT people will concentrate on these intricacies only. Shall I turn this? Understood this summary?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir, please.
Yes, sir, understood.
So you can get the current through any area. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can say that current is E dot S. What is that called? E dot S. Flux, no? So I can say that current is the flux of current density. Any dot product with the area is called as flux.
Flux of charge current density.
Electric dot A. What is that called? Electric flux. This is current density flux.
Yes, sir.
Here you followed.
Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
Followed this? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, previously you have current. What is the current you got, man, in terms of E square A by M tau and anything like this you got E. You got this? See?
No, sir.
Just now when the drift velocity all that you have done now.
That is NQ drift velocity into A.
NQ, okay. Same thing you'll get, man. NQAVD. What is VD, man? VA, this is how much? Remember? Is it
Yes,
correct?
sir.
E square you are getting, A you are getting, M you are getting, 2 and what I wrote is same thing, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? This is J, this is a constant. So this is actually material dependent. Okay, this is what we call it as conductivity of the material. Because if this is more, conduction will be more, no, current will be more, conduction will be more. If this is more, what will happen? I will be more. I is more means we say conduct is more. So it's called conductivity of the material. So vectorially we can write like this. Understood this? There is a material property. Any doubt is that till here?
No doubts. Clear.
Is it clear?
Clear,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Return this.
Yes.
Now current through an area is how much? Do you agree with this? Understood this?
Yes.
Do you agree with this? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir. Done.
What is that we have? J. If you observe, see, J equals, so for a given applied voltage, electric field is constant, no?
Yes.
Is material property, no?
Yes.
For the therefore, what will happen? J remains constant, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
Shall
sir.
I turn this? Shall I turn this?
Yes. Thanks.
So here you can see, suppose same area of cross section you take. I am connecting a battery. So this is VH, VL. Electric field is the same area of cross section you take. See, this is J now. Okay. So now this
Yes,
is
sir.
I now. Now what is this I? Now you can see that if S changes, I will change. Agree?
Yes, sir.
But actually, must be equal to what? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Now, what is the contradiction here? You can see what is J, I. S is the area, na? Followed? This is constant, no? This is constant, no? S into VD is constant, na?
Yes, sir.
That means if area of cross section is small, velocity is more. This is similar to fluid mechanics. AV is constant, na?
Yes, sir.
Remember? So wherever the area of cross section is small, what will happen? Speed will increase. Current remains constant. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. 1 minute, sir. Waiting.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, sir, please.
Understanding anything?
Yes, sir.
Understanding, sir. Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
You want to write?
Yes, sir, yes. 1 minute.
Understood this?
Yes. Yes, sir. Got it.
Now overall, what is that we have now? See, this is a conductor. An electric field is applied across it. Do you agree with this? Is the electric field. Any doubt is there in this? So now this is the positive direction. So this is the I direction. This is the J direction. Okay. J is nothing but sigma E. So this is nothing but NE square by M tau into E. If VH minus VL applied voltage is constant, then what will be constant? E is constant. So J remains constant. Okay. Now you can see, follow this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is VD? Will also remain constant, no? When E is constant. They agree till here? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So now you have, just now you have seen JS. Okay. This is J equals I by S. Must remain constant. This is NQSVD by S. NQVD. This is constant. This is constant. Therefore, J remains constant. Understood this? J is independent of area. I can see this. Is it clear?
Sir, sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, in last case also then VD is to be constant, no, sir.
Yes.
But in
Constant.
last case when area is small, speed increases.
Where?
In last case, sir.
Where last case? This is the last case now.
Sir, I mean previous case.
Previous case. Okay. There, note on this. I'll come back to this.
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes.
Now you continue with this only. JS equals I now. Agreed. Now anywhere I wrote current is constant. Anywhere I wrote
No, sir.
what is constant? J is constant. I told now. So
Yes,
if
sir.
S decreases, what happens?
Current increase.
That's the problem. That is what I am saying. By law of conservation of charge, I must be constant. No? This is possible only what? At that time, VD is not constant. So, agreed. Understood what I am saying?
Sir, once again that point.
Till here you followed?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if area of cross section is becoming small. See from here the area has decreased. The current here and here it should be same, no? Agreed? Because charge conservation demands that only, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? This you agreed this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt is there in that?
No
Clear?
doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Now here I equals Js. This is constant.
Yes, sir.
Now will J be constant?
Yes, sir. J will be constant.
J will be constant. Check. This is constant, man. If area of cross section changes, what will happen? J changes or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Followed. So that means for this, whenever area of cross section is, what is J you already got? I is what? Do you agree with this? Or else?
Yes, sir.
Now we can see if J changes, S changes, no, automatically J will change. J will changes, VD will change. So that I remains constant. So here what will happen is, if S increases, then what will happen according to this?
J will
J should
First you see J decreases, VD decreases. Now from this I can say that VD is inversely proportional to area. That's what I told. Understood this? Followed this?
Sir, then,
If area, what is your doubt?
sir, then drift velocity is not constant, sir.
Which one? Definitely drift velocity changes if area of cross section changes. Provided current should remain constant. Please understand that A, B, C are three variables. You can study a variation of one variable with PV equals nRT. What are the variables here you have? PV and T. Okay. When N and T are constant, P is inversely proportional to V. This is only Boyle's law, no? When
Yes,
P
sir.
and N are constant, V is proportional to, this is only Charles' law, no? Agreed. When V and N are constant, P is proportional, this is Gay-Lussac's law, no?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or not? So that means when four variables are there, it depends upon what you are keeping constant. Understood this?
Agreed, sir. Yes, sir.
General bad habit of the student is PV equals nRT. They'll P increase, V increase. Other things are there. T is there, N is there. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You only on this drift velocity whole 2 hours I wasted. For a simple reason that many people get confused in this. Is it clear till now? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Now for a given conductor, I is constant, S is constant. Automatically J is constant, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. For a given conductor, if S does not change, I won't change, no?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
It all depends what are constant, what are variable. Now I taught for 1.5 hours now. You leave this and sleep happily. Tomorrow morning again you come to the classes as you finished. Next topic will run. After 3-4 days, you'll get irritated because you did not read the previous one. That connectivities will miss. You cannot ask me because he will already he told again in scold. Because one boy posted once, sir, can you do electric dipole? Okay, because I did not do understand at that time. What are you doing at that time? If you go on entertaining that, I'll be nobody allows me to teach the first topic also. Follow this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be constant? J is constant, no? Why when S changes, what will change? Agreed. When S changes, what will happen? All this understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Remember this point, that's enough. Is it clear? Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
This is because of what? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, man. You may feel many times, who will read all that now? How do you think people will pay so much salaries, man? Tell. But like, let us take an example. Suppose you know how to teach Urdu. Okay. Followed.
Yes, sir.
Or let us take my religion. I'll take Hindu religion is there, for example. Okay. Actually, frankly speaking, one of the worst things I hate is religion. That divides human beings. So anyhow, by default, I have to some person knows Bhagavad Gita. For example, I'm saying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will he earn more money or an IIT student will earn more money?
IIT students, sir.
Why? Because that can be done by anybody, but this cannot be done by all. Why I'm saying I'm not criticizing anybody. Each one by default, that person learned that because it's a inheritance from family. The moment he was born, he was taught all that, he was molded into that. Okay. And several times they will also feel that I should have become an engineer, I should have gone to US, and of course now people are going there also. You know that now.
Yes, sir.
In the name of horoscope, people are going worldwide. That is by selling lies, they are moving from one part to the other. So this difficulty will be there in any field. Without any hard work, your parents are doing that hard work. Your father won't tell that. Okay. He will feel that should I share with him and spoil his mind. He knows what difficulty he is facing. That is the reason why he wants you to become an IITian. No? Let's come back to this. See, when current flows, will the current conductor become charged?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Will be uncharged. Understood this?
Yes.
Why? Because charged means charge must reside, no? What is charged?
Charge must reside on this.
So remember that. Now, till here, any doubt is there? Now, will there be electric field inside a conductor? Exists and does not exist inside a conductor.
No, sir, it does not. Zero. Inside a conductor.
Hopeless fellow, all this story, what you had an electric field, all that he did not show. Idiot.
Sorry, sir.
Brainless
Sorry.
fellows. Huh? What is this, man?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's
Sorry.
why I told, don't you watch this YouTube and all, there's a problem. Electric field exists even inside conductor. When charge flows. Understood this? So when
Yes, sir.
charge is not flowing, resides. Then inside conductor, understood this? Electric field is what? Understood this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Understood.
What is current introduction? So much time it took. Return that. Hello.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Wait, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. Okay, I told you, I think I'll post it on list. How to, what to do, what not to do. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So I'll send daily assignment, that 20 questions, 15 questions, based on the topic discussed only, nothing else. Now, what are the charge carriers? What is actually charge carrier that constitute current? Understood this? Correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Charge carrier that constitute current. If you take solid conductors, what are the charge carrier? Free electrons. Because they are the things which move, no? They carry. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
These 20 or 10 problems I am posting now. Again, if you complete today, you'll improve. See, what current is nothing but charge flowing per time. No? What is the charge due to? That is the meaning of this. In this, can you tell what are the positive and negative ions. Remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like this only, even in chemistry, maths also, every topic, small part you can elaborate and discuss. Those people are not doing and completing the syllabus. That is the problem. Discharge tube, remember? Understood this? In semiconductor, which you'll see later, you have in 10th class, huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, usually these are the things which we come across. Understood this? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So suppose I is this. Till here, any doubt is there? Suppose I equals, so we want to know how much it will be. See how much you are getting. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
So based on today's discussion, I'll send you few questions, just attempt them, okay? Don't postpone them, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, we shall continue in the next class then, okay? Oh, right then.
Sir, revision class there, right?
See, we finished thermal radiations theory part earlier? No.
No, sir.
Okay, do one thing. We finished up to fluids now. You go ahead with your studies because I'm starting that thermal radiation program. There is no use for them because for you, I have to
Okay,
teach.
sure.
Okay, right then. Take care. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Up
Take
to
care.
fluids, you have done properly. There is no second thought. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.